Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to another video. Hope you're all doing fine. My name's Ruben and welcome to Throttle. So today I'm here to talk to you about a new car that has been launched by MG, that is the MG Gloster. But before that, I would like you all who haven't subscribed to our channel, go down and subscribe to our channel. Also, press the bell icon so that you all get notified every time we put up a video. With that guys, let's get straight into today's video. MG, full form being Morris Garage, a British company owned by a Chinese manufacturer, entered India quite recently with their first car being the Hector, which sold in huge numbers, that much that even the production department couldn't handle the demand and dealers were asked to even stop taking bookings. Then came the ZS EV, which is available only in few states of India. Then came the Hector Plus, basically the 6-seater Hector, of which we have a review, and if you haven't checked it out yet, you can check it out in the pop-up somewhere on the screen. And now they launched the all-new premium 7-seater SUV, the MG Gloster. Now coming up front, you have this massive octagonal chrome grille with the MG logo in it that can be noticed from miles away. The LED headlamps are sleek and have auto leveling. And they kind of remind me of the ones on the BMW 4 Series. The muscular haunches on the hood make the car look very bold and in your face like all other premium SUVs. Coming to the side profile, it has a perfect SUV design. Everything looks huge. It sits on this huge 19-inch alloy wheels that are wrapped in 255 rubber, and the ground clearance is massive. It looks like it can take over any terrain. The car is 5 meters long, 2 meters wide and 1.8 meters tall, making it the longest, widest and tallest SUV in its segment. Also love the nice Brit badge which reminds it of its origin. The rear profile is tastefully done. It gets this huge Gloster badge like the Range Rovers, but a lot of manufacturers out there are doing that nowadays to add to the premiumness of the car. The LED wraparound tail lamps accompany the design perfectly. At the bottom you have these quad tailpipes which are not entirely fake, considering that they have dual exhaust tips inside and designed to look as 4. Step inside and you have this beautiful luxurious dual tone interior with the brown and black combination. The front dash looks a lot like the BMWs with the 12.3-inch screen in the center which has loaded tech in it. You can control pretty much everything of the car from there. Now the Gloster gets segment first ADAS features, full form being Advanced Driver Assistance System, which has features like adaptive cruise control, automatic park assist, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection and lane departure warning, making it safer to drive and avoiding collision. Now MG says it's autonomous driving level 1, which is it only assists the driver and the vehicle and is not a driverless car. It also gets Gaana subscription, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and a lot more features. You can also adjust the 64 color ambient lighting to set the mood. There's also another screen between the dials in the instrument cluster which shows all the driving data, but the dials could have been a little bit more tastefully done. The steering is sporty, the seats are huge and very spacious and comfortable. The third row of seats as well is surprisingly spacious with a lot of AC vents, USB slots all over the place. Now with all the seats up, the Gloster still has a 340-liter boot space, which is good. Now coming to the powertrain of this ginormous SUV, it is powered by a 2-liter twin-turbo diesel which produces 218 PS and 480 Newton meters of torque, which is powered to all 4 wheels. It is mated to a 8-speed automatic gearbox, But this being a 2.5 ton car, sources say it's a bit sluggish. But overall, a very bold, masculine, feature loaded SUV, in my opinion. And it will definitely give the Fortuner and the Endeavour a run for their money. Do stay tuned for a full in-depth review on the MG Gloster, which will be out as soon as we get our hands on one. With that, guys, we wrap up today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it informative. Do not forget to subscribe, as I said earlier, those who haven't done it yet. Also press the bell icon so that you all get notified every time we put a video. Also follow us on our social media handles, that is Facebook and Instagram. I will leave the links in the description down below. With that, guys, see you next video.